So I just arrived to the Dominican Republic. And it's really beautiful. At first, I was gonna cancel because what I've seen in the news, but I still take the chance to go, you know? And I always want to go there. So, right now, I'm about to go to the restaurant, see some dinner. So, yeah. See you on the next day. Okay. So, this is the hotel room. It's so beautiful. It's like the most beautiful resort that I've ever been to. Wait, hold on. Let me just draw this. Let me open this door. Yeah, you see this beautiful view? Got my own jacuzzi. So pretty. So this is how the bathroom look. Okay, once you open this door, this is the toilet area. And then this is the shower. And that's it. So this is the breakfast. These are hash brown potatoes, sausages, bacon, pancakes. This is the syrup for the pancake, the cocoa, the orange juice, and these are the desserts, and these are the fruits.
Yeah, we can have lunch.
Obama. What up, bro?
What is he doing?
He's playing.
Oh. Like this?
Yeah, no more.
So right now I'm in the hotel room just chilling because it's so hot outside. I was able to see the monkey on the beach. The monkey went on my lip, so I had to come back here and just wash it off. But overall, I have a good time. And this is like one of my favorite vacation. So this is what I got for room service. This is buffalo wings. Looks so delicious. Cannot wait to eat it.
Sure what we will find.
Anyways, my thoughts on the Dominican Republic. I really feel like the stuff that's on the news, I really feel like they overdoing it because it's actually a safe place and I'm enjoying myself. There was no weird energy. So yeah, that's my thoughts about it. Just got back from breakfast and later on I'm going to do an excursion. Don't mind my hair. I need to like fix it, and also I didn't wear any eyelashes today. But tomorrow is my last day and I'm really gonna miss it here. I'm gonna show you guys the excursion and everything. So yeah.
Ella no era así, no sé quién la dañó. Ella no era así, ella no era así, no sé quién la dañó, pero si quiero una movie le dan replay. Voy a andar con el bobo, pues no brega ni mi para. Pero todos los que ven perro vienen con mi cara. Si no vale
6:49. I'm really gonna miss Dominican Republic, but that's it for this vlog. So like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys later.